Here we are, a small renovation that we're doing in downtown Orlando today. I wanted to talk a little bit about some current design trends that we're seeing now in our kind of post-COVID environment where we have more activity at the house. So at this project, we're tasked with building a home spa, which would include a space for exercise equipment, a sauna, a cold plunge tub, and a few other kind of spaces to both work from home and then also relax at home. So both kind of physical and mental kind of health going on here at our project. So we got a cold plunge tub on this side of the room. This little nook over here is going to be for a Peloton bike. And then we've got our sauna. It's big enough for about 6 people. And this is all within a building shell of about a 100-year-old house. So we kept the original beams exposed. We added insulation on top when we were re-roofing, kind of create a little unique feel here going on now that our clients spending a lot more time here.